In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Xiaomi. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now click on languages and input, manage keyboards, and revert. Following that, select theme section, scroll all the way down and click on show more at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. Now tap on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. And when you finished, click on apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, go into the same theme settings and tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply. You can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. And tap on done. Finally, manage keyboarders thanks to the same switcher and hit apply. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, just click on it. Select this bin icon next to keyboarders and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also edit one of your custom ones by clicking on it, selecting this pen next to the bin icon, and making your changes. Then hit apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!